In this video tutorial, you will learn how to schedule a post in WordPress. You can easily schedule your post in WordPress. It is a very simple process. Let's create a new post first. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Posts, then click on Add New. I'll just give this post a title. Then, under the Publish settings, here it says Publish Immediately. Click on Edit right beside it. And here you have an option to schedule the post. Enter the day and date here for when you want to publish this post. Then click on OK. And if you notice, this button has changed from Publish to Schedule. Click on it to schedule the post. If for some reason your post was not scheduled at the time you entered, then you should check your time zone settings. Go to Settings and click on General. And make sure your time zone settings are correct. This is how you can schedule a post in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.